Hey everybody, I have 3 Destash lots available. They will be in my shop, so the shop link will be down below. I'll try to link all 3. Actually, I will be linking all 3 boxes. They're all in medium flat rate boxes, US only. I'm not going to go into too much detail because all you got to do is go to the link of the item that you're interested in and you go buy it there. And usually I ship within, I usually ship only on my days off, which is usually Mondays and Fridays. So 2 of them are holiday related, mostly Christmas and a little bit of fall, and then 1 is like a mixture of paper, but they all do have some kind of scrapbook paper and some other little goodies to go with it. I do sell my used pads and product because they are still perfectly fine to use, so they are again all in the medium flat rate boxes. So lot number 1, you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pads, and there's gonna be a mixture of 6x6, 12x12, and whatever that size is. And I don't really get to use that much paper anymore like I used to, so most of these pads are pretty complete. You know, like most of the papers are still in there. Get this one here, and I do. Let me just kind of. Where did it go? I just saw one that was cut. Maybe not. I do put in my scraps as well because most of the time, there it is, you can use whatever's left of the scraps as well. So then you get this one. This is all that plaid. I barely used it. It's just all different colored and this patterned plaids. So I used a lot of that, and this, no scraps, they're just pulled out. I didn't use them. And this one here is Gold Gift. This I got maybe last year or the year before from Michael's. You see, this is actually 2 pieces stuck together, or 1 on top of some chipboard, because I cut it with my die cutter. So you can cut this with your die cutting machine, but the rest is just normal. And like, oh, I don't know what I was going to say. But they are gold foil, gold and white. Most of it, well, maybe half of this pad, because I know I use a lot of the gold foil. And then we have this one here. And this one has a lot of scraps in here and the cutouts. So, yeah, lots of scraps in this one. One that I just pulled out but didn't, or 2 that I didn't really cut. I just pulled them out. And let me just flip through that real quick. Somewhat, it's hard to flip. I think this one was last year maybe, or the year before. I don't know. But lots that you could still use. Lots of the cutouts. I try to put this so that it's not bulky just on one side, but it's not easy. Let's see if I can get it flat. Alright, so we got that, and then the last pad in this is the fall one, which was this year's fall at Michael's. Okay, sorry if I yawn, I had a long day. So, and then some of the cutouts or the scraps in that one. Alright, so on top of that, the cards, some just, you know, whatever was left of the note cards. I think it coordinates with this very well, but it's from Joann's. And, okay, where's fall? I just want to show you fall. Whatever I have here of this confetti for fall, some bags, treat bags, and this little 6x6 from Target. Some stickers. I barely used, well, I used some because I was making the squirrel clips, but I think most of it is there. So I think that's all the fall that's in this pack, or this slot. And then for the Christmas, I'm throwing in these 2 packs. These are actually brand new. I don't think I pulled these off, but some in the other box will be missing like the little layers, because I like to use these for die cuts. I take off the die cut off of that, but they're gift tags. You'll get these 2. This pack of paper doilies, some note cards, and the number of envelopes in what do you call it? compared to the number of cards might not be exact, because I usually cut these and just use them for planners, the images on the cards. But you will get some envelopes. These here, I actually die cut these like last year or the year before with my silhouette. So some are going to have the white back, some are not. And then there's a few already made rosettes, cupcake liner rosettes. And then you're going to get whatever's left of these stickers here. Let me get my glasses back on because now it's little things. I think there's only a sheet in here. Stay. And a sheet of this. This was in a booklet. I think that's all that was left. I think I only used, yeah, I used some of the stickers off of this one, but there's one whole sheet on this side. A new pack of stickers, and then this is just mixed, you know, because I cut them out. Stickers, these two are new, 2 new packs of stickers. There's an assortment of pom-poms and some bows. All of these come out of one set, but I had used these in the past. These two, I did use some of this one. This one I don't know. There's a pin in there, so I'm not sure if I ever used it or not, but it feels full. 4 large jingle bells. Now they came this way a little bit scratched up. You can paint them if you like. And then just a few cupcake liners. So this one is lot number 1. Alright, so here is lot number 2. We'll start with the paper again. There's more on the side here, but it's like, let's see. Okay. This is, maybe I should back it up. No, I think I'll leave it right there. So here's one 12 by 12. There's 3 and a kit. So again, Christmas and a little bit of fall. Really cute patterns here. Sorry. Like I said, it's hard to show. And some more houses. And then the extra, the scraps. We got Save Freeze. This is from this year from Michaels with the scraps that I didn't use. And I decided not to really keep much. I think I only kept the shabby chic colored ones, the Santa Baby and blush something, just because every year there's new designs. So alright, here is the other one, Fireside. I can't even believe I didn't even use that one. But that's okay. I just don't want to store stuff anymore. I don't want to keep everything. Now this one, for some reason, I threw in here, but it's scored. I was trying to make an envelope. But you can cut around all that and just use what's in there. So again, the scraps are in this one too. And then here's the kit for fall. It doesn't show, well, it shows all the paper here. It's just papers, no stickers or anything. And I got this year now. Thought I was going to use it, but nope. And some more papers over here. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Come back, come back. Stay. 6x6. There are 3 6x6 and 2 fall ones. Let's start with the fall. Okay. And then this one. It's just mainly, this hasn't even been opened. This is just the colors. And we've got this one. I think it was last year. And this one here. Now it's double-sided. And then this last one, which looks like I did not even touch. So it's open, but I haven't used it. So we have those. And the rest of the fall, this pack here, pumpkin tags, whatever's left of these, cards, some treat bags, and some picks, and just a couple of, what are these called? Cupcake liner rosettes, and a little bit of, you know what that is. I can't think. Okay. Whoops. Oh, I opened this by mistake. The bag again of pom-poms and little bows, just mixed up. Some die cuts and some foam stickers in here. These cupcake liners. This tinsel in red. Whatever's left of this ribbon. I think it's wired. And 3 bells, and then a few little tiny pink trees. These 2 stamps. This sticker book, which yes, I did use some also, but barely. But yeah, I didn't use that much. These cards here, again, I like to cut these and use them in my TNs. This pack of, see, like this one right here is missing that second layer, and this one too. The rest are complete. And then this one here I love, but didn't use it. Now you can actually just finish cutting around like a die cut and get rid of that to and from. Same thing here, and just use these pieces as die cuts, or use them as is and cover them up. This has been opened, so I'm sure there's a few missing, but these doilies. This is a new pack of foam stickers. This is new. This one's new. This one's only missing a few. A couple. Alright, so that is lot number 2. Okay, you guys, lot number 3. It's mostly paper, just a couple of embellishments, not that much, and mixed holiday plus non-holiday related stuff. So, and if you're not into Halloween, this is the only Halloween item in here. You can just pass it on to somebody else or toss it. It's up to you. But this is Hocus Pocus. I'll just flip through. And the scraps. Here, this is the scraps of an Easter kit. I am not going to open this. It's not 100% complete. I did use some stickers. I will open, just kind of sneak peek in there, because I just don't want to pull them all out, because I'll have to pull everything out. But you can kind of see that there's scraps in here. If you do small projects, it'd be great. There's a few full sheets in here with still cutouts. But, you know, if you're going to get ready for spring, which is, before you know it, it'll be around the corner. And then we also have this one. And I had used some of it too. So, this has already been sliced open. But this one looks like it has more sheets in here. And there's, yeah, plus scraps inside. You can kind of see in there. So together they can make like a whole set, those two. This, whatever's left over, my Hello Kitty deluxe paper, supposedly. So we've got that. It's mostly scraps. There's a few full sheets. And then this one here is just, it's called Color Kaleidoscope. There's a lot in here, but these are like basic primary color stuff. And I used this for the superheroes TNs. Let's get that in there. And then we have this Samantha Rose scraps, really pretty colors. And it is double-sided, so let me just kind of go back the other way just so you can see. I wasn't completely in frame. Alright, so we got that. Then there's two more kits? No. We've got Let's Be Mermaids, and this one is absolutely brand new. Yeah, I didn't use any of this. So it's a brand new kit by Lori Whitlock. Let's Be Mermaids, and you can kind of see what's in here, and the stickers. And I'm throwing in this window cling thing because there's also a little bit of Valentine's in here. Really not much, but I know I'm going to get new stuff. I don't know why there's black in here, but I'm going to leave it because I guess it'll go with whatever's here. I guess at one point, this is new. At one point I was doing something with that. Alright, so that's the 12 by 12. And then if you are going to be doing your Valentine's stuff, I've got, this is quite a lot, and it's nice and thick. It's a heavyweight cardstock. I have bought some packs of more lighter colors that I'm going to be keeping instead of this, and not have so many. So and then this one's brand new. This one's the Minty Fresh. Not as thick as this, but it's still cardstock. Really pretty colors. That's brand new. Then this, I don't even know if I used this. I don't think I did, but I picked it up because of, you know, they look like little signs that you can just frame and put up. And they all have different things that they say on there. Some are funny, you know, like little quotes. And I thought there was a mermaid or something in here too, but I don't know where it's at. Maybe there's not. Anyway, got that. And then this little Valentine, this I've had for a while, but it is a little bit textured as well. So got that. And then to go with some of the stuff, I think got these new, not new, well, they're new packs is what I'm trying to say. This butterflies, this is missing a layer. I don't know why, or if it's meant to be that way, but it's new. It was a new pack that I got. And then a couple of, these are brand new things of pink tags. Alright, so that is lot number 3. Remember, everything is listed down below. If you don't see it, when you click on it, that means it's already been sold, but I do try to put when it's sold and then remove the link after it's been sold. So I try to keep up, you know, keep it up to date. But sometimes, you know, if it's sold at night, then it's not going to get fixed until the next day at some point. So if you don't, when you click on it, it doesn't take you nowhere or a blank page, that means it is sold. But I do try and keep it up to date, and I'll put sold and remove the links, and I'll put, you know, like how many lots are left in the title. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.